Hello children, today we are going to start with practice set 10.1. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder. First problem, 21m square divided by 7m. So here we will do the division method as we used to do. 21m square divided by 7m. Now here you see 7 is here, 21 is here. So which term table will go? 7 3s are 21. And here is m. m into m will be m square. Here we have to take these two terms same. If it is positive, both the terms must be positive. If it is negative, both the terms must be negative. Because in division method, we subtract the terms. Therefore, the sign changes. So here 21m square divided by 7m will take 7m into 3m equals to 21m square. So 3m will write in the quotient. 7 3s are 21 m square. Subtract it. Here it will be coming 0. So the quotient is 3m and remainder is 0. Very simple problem it is. Next, 40a raised to power 3 divided by minus 10a. 40a cube divided by minus 10a. Here it must be plus 40. So first only we will take minus here. So minus 4 into minus 10 plus 40 it will come. A into a square will be a cube. So here explanation is given minus 10a into minus 4a square equals to plus 40a cube. So plus 40a cube will come here. Division method we have to take subtraction. So minus 4a square into minus 10a equals to 40a cube plus subtract it. These terms will get cancelled. So 0. Therefore, the quotient equals to minus 4a square. Minus 4a square, remainder is 0. Next problem. Minus 48p raised to power 4 divided by minus 9p square. Here, both the terms are negative. So, if I multiply by the positive term, I will get negative here. But here one more thing is there. So here what you have to do in this step, whatever term you are dividing, minus 48p raised to power 4, that divided by the term by which you are dividing. So 9p square, you have to multiply this term. So 9p square into minus 9p square, these terms will get cancelled here, cross multiplication. Numerator and denominator, it will get cancelled. What is left will be minus, because these are positive term, this is negative term. So minus 48p raised to power 4 will be the answer. So minus 9p square into, simplify this, 3 3s are 9, 3 16s are 48. So it will be 16 by 3 p square. P square and p raised to power 4. So square, if we divide this p raised to power 4 by p raised to power 2, you know in division, we subtract the index. So p raised to power 4 minus 2 will be p raised to power 2. I'm sure this point you have understood. We have to simplify this term. So multiply with that term, answer must come the same. That comes to minus 48 p raised to power 4. So directly this will be the quotient here. 16 by 3 p square. Again, if we take the product of these two, it will be minus only. So minus and minus, that sign changes in the division method. So plus, so your term becomes 0. Therefore, the quotient equals to 16 by 3 p square 0. More problem we'll see this type. 40 m raised to power 5 divided by 30 m raised to power 3. Same method, for 30 m raised to power 3 multiply by 40 m raised to 5 upon 30m raised to 3. Here 30m raised to power 3, 30m raised to power 3 will get cancelled. What is left is 40m raised to power 5. So 40m raised to 5. Simplify this ratio. 40m raised to power 5 divided by 30m raised to 3. You will get 0, 0 cut, 4 by 3. M raised to power 5 divided by m cube equals to m raised to 5 minus 3 is m raised to power 2. So if I multiply this term by here, again I will get 40m raised to 5. So quotient will be 4 by 3 m square. So 4 by 3 m square into 30m raised to power 5, you will get 40m raised to power 5. Subtract from this, here remainder will come 0. Quotient will be 4 by 3 m square. Fifth, now here the binomial is divided by monomial. Earlier the examples were monomial divided by monomial. Here binomial is divided by monomial. So 5x cube minus 3x square is divisible by x square. So first we will think of only 5x cube. So what is their term? X square. So I want 5 here. So I will multiply by 5. Then x cube is there. Here it is x square. So x into x square will be x raised to 5. Explanation it is given here. X square into 5x equals to 5x raised to power 3. Got it clear? Then simplify as division method. Will get your remainder 0. Take the next term down, minus 3x square. Here divide by x square. So which term will go? Minus 3. Why minus 3? This terms must be the same sign. So here it is coming minus 3x square. So we'll take minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Again division method, sign changes. So it will be plus. Simplify this, remainder will become 0. The quotient becomes 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3, remainder is 0. Another example of binomial divided by monomial. 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. Again first term of that term will take 8p cube divided by 2p square. 4 2s are 8. So 4 will come. P square is here. We want p cube. So p into p square is p cube. So 2p square multiplied by 4p will get 8p cube. Simplify this. Minus this term will get cancelled. Remainder will become 0. Take the next term down. Minus 4p square. Now again we want here minus 4p square. Here it is 2p square. So multiply by minus 2. You will get minus 4p square. Again by division method, plus minus will become 0. Here explanation 2p square into minus 2 equals to minus 4p square. Here also the quotient is coming as 4p minus 2 and remainder is 0. Next term, this is trinomial. Trinomial divided by monomial. 3 terms are there. Method remains the same. We'll come across 2y cube. Here it is 2y square. So only multiply by y. First term. You will get 2y cube. Subtract it. Will get remainder 0. This is the explanation for the first term. Bring down the second and third term together. 4y square plus 3. Now which will go 2 into 2, 4 y square. So plus it must be. So plus 4y square. When we divide minus sign, then it will come remainder equals to 0. Bring down the third term. Now third term, please concentrate here. It is only plus 3. No y square, y term is there. So here we are not going to simplify further. Here the quotient will be only y plus 2 and remainder will be 3. Next term. 21x raised to power 4 minus 14x square plus 7x divided by 7x cube. Method remains the same. First term you take 7 3s are 21, x cube into x raised to power 4. So 21 x raised to power 4. Here we will write, here remainder becomes 0. Bring down the second and third term. Now second and third terms are minus 14x square plus 7x. Now raised to power, here it is x raised to 2. Here it is x raised to 3. If the raised to power is not equal or if it is less, then we have to stop there, only dividing the term there. So here we will stop as the raised to power term is less. Here it is x raised to power 3, here it is x raised to power 2. Clear? So quotient will be only 3x and remainder will be minus 4x square plus 7x. Remainder will be minus 14x square plus 7x. Ninth, 6x raised to power 5 minus 4x raised to power 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square divided by 2x square. Now here you see, we will take one term and try to divide. 6x raised to power 5. So 3 2s are 6. 6 comes. X square multiply by x cube, you will get x raised to power 5. Explanation is given here. So 6x raised to 5. Simplify, remainder will become 0. Bring down the rest terms down, minus 4x raised to power 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. Simplify for the second term, 4 minus 4x raised to power 4. So minus 2 into 2 will be minus 4. X square into x square, x raised to power 4. Simplify this, this remainder becomes 0. Bring down the next two terms, 8x cube plus 2x square. 4 into 2 will be 8. X square into x will be x cube. Again these two terms are there. Simplify it, remainder becomes 0. Bring down the last term here, 2x square. It is 2x square only here. So it will be plus 1. 1 into 2x square. So plus minus remainder becomes 0. In this problem, you might be seeing that all terms are divisible and remainder is coming 0. So here the quotient will be 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Remainder is 0. Next problem. 25m raised to power 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m cube. 5m cube is here. Here it is 25m raised to power 4. So 5 5s are 25. M raised to power 3 into m will give us m raised to power 4. Here it is explanation given. So we'll take 5m here. 25m raised to power 4 will come here. Remainder becomes 0. Bring down the two terms there. Minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. Simplify for the minus 15m cube. You will get minus 3 into 5m cube minus 15m cube. Simplify this quotient. This remainder equals to 0. Bring down the next two terms. Now m raised to power 1, this is m raised to power 3 is here. So we'll stop dividing further and we'll take this as quotient 5m minus 3 and remainder as 10m plus 8. So This much is sufficient for this exercise. See you in the next video for practice set 10.2. One more thing, students, I would like to share with you. The comment section is open for you. You can send your valuable comments in it. Thank you.